Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. In this lesson, we're going to discuss very important lesson for grade 6 students, which is lesson 9.5 ratios and graphs. In this lesson, our objective will be how to use ratio tables and graphs to show equivalent or equal ratios. In this example, I will show you how to use tables and graphs to show equivalent ratios. Here we use the ratio 3 balloons over $2 to find the cost of 6, 9, 12 balloons. Then use the graph to find the cost of 18 balloons. Here the table, we have 3 balloons, 6 balloons, 9 balloons, 12 balloons. Now for 3 balloons we need $2. So for 6 balloons we double the cost, it becomes $4. And for 9 balloons we multiply 3 by 3. So we multiply 2 by 3, we get $6. And now for 12 balloons we multiply 3 by 4. Now we multiply 2 by 4, we need $8. So we are using this table to find equivalent ratios. Now we can find the cost of some numbers of balloons. Now from this table I can graph here x and y coordinate plane. From this table I can get some ordered pair like 3, 2. Here x represent the number of balloons and y represent the cost. 6, 4 and 9. 6 and 12, 8. Now if I graph these ordered pairs will represent some cost of some numbers of balloons. Now for 3 balloons I need $2 here. 3 I need $2 or the cost is $2. For 6 balloons the cost is $4 here. Let me say here 6, the cost is $4. And 9 balloons, 9, here is 9 balloons, I need $6 here. And 12 balloons, $8, 12 balloons, $8. Now let me connect these points with a dashed line. And put arrow. Why it is a dashed line, not solid line? Because I can only buy whole number of balloons. And I draw an arrow because it means we have infinity number of equal ratios. Now he asked me, then use the graph to find the cost of 18 balloons. So here 18 balloons, I go with a perpendicular line. I have to be careful here to intersect the line. Then from this line I draw a horizontal line to the y-axis. It meets the y-axis or intersect the y-axis at 12. So for the cost of 18 balloons from the graph is $12. So as you can see, we used the ratio tables and the graphs to show equivalent ratios. That's all for our lesson. Thank you very much.